Welcome to our quick guide on adding IPTV playlists in VLC without the hassle of complicated steps. First, ensure you have VLC Media Player installed on your device for smooth functionality. Next, obtain your IPTV playlist file or direct link from your trusted provider like 2tv.store. Now, launch VLC and navigate to the Media tab located at the top menu of the player. Select Open Network Stream, a resolver for various formats like the IPTV links provided earlier. Enter the URL of your IPTV playlist into the provided field before clicking the Play button. Watch as VLC processes the link. It should load your IPTV channels almost immediately. Tweaking options in VLC helps customize your streaming experience for optimal enjoyment. Remember, a reliable provider can affect your entire streaming quality and user experience. Explore 2tv.store's range of offers for an extensive, uninterrupted IPTV experience. Using the right provider means accessing an array of channels effortlessly from home. Want exclusive deals? Stick around for wonderful opportunities to enhance your subscription. Achieve flexibility by setting reminders for when new episodes or matches air live. Experiment with your playlist, organizing channels for easy access to favorites anytime. Enjoy the world of entertainment at your fingertips without the wait, directly from VLC. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tech guides and insightful entertainment tips.